What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Waves Crypto. Following up on this massive breakout for Bitcoin and altcoin. In our last video from yesterday, I believe, in just 24 hours, Bitcoin was at $80,000 and proceeded to have a $9,000 move, making new all-time highs today are at $89,609. And so far on the daily, it looks like it retested around the top Bollinger Band and is within striking distance of continuing the move. And this has just been a crazy day from the confirmed breakout on heavy volume here on the daily, with just the catalyst of this being election night when the breakout occurred, Trump winning, which is just more favorable for crypto, making the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. Yeah, definitely just unprecedented catalyst, leading to a breakout on heavy volume with follow through continuing with heavy volume. And if we zoom out to a monthly, looks like Bitcoin is trending above the top Bollinger Band. And this measured move of the reaccumulation structure of this being a cup and handle, with this being the cup and this being the handle. So a breakout with a measured move of that range would put Bitcoin at around 120 to 130K range. So it'll be interesting to see if that follows through. For curiosity's sake, I want to go back to this past cycle here from 2017 to about 2020, 3-year long structure. Let's do the measured move of, let's see. If we did a measured move of that range, and then if you cloned that and did a measured move of that breakout, how it played out. You could do it from either here or the breakout. Let's just do it from there. I mean, it overperformed. So that's just interesting for curiosity's sake, seeing how that one played out. So way overperformed. Okay, so I don't know. Let's not get ahead of ourselves or anything, because this measured move here would put it at 120K, and if this was over, whatever, we'll just have to see. But things are looking good. And then if we follow up on the altcoins, total 3 is continuing its breakout. After going sideways, reaccumulating, then making a higher high and a higher low, taking out this zone here, and then using it to just explode past the next resistance from May. And earlier today, it went up and tested the highs back in March of this year. So far, the daily has tested the top Bollinger Band for that. So we're just going to have to see what happens if this breakout, if it just breaks out through the March high and goes, next zone would be all-time highs for total 3, all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, if this chart followed what Bitcoin has been doing this whole year, because Bitcoin is way past that point. So if these altcoins are about to start catching up, then the next zone would be all-time highs and beyond. And monthly RSI is looking great, consolidating at the EMA as it entered the bullish control zone, and bouncing off of it now as they both are moving up in the bullish control zone. Positive momentum building. The EMA lines for the MACD are looking good as well. And then if we just follow up on some of the alts like Ethereum back here at the lows was consolidating within the EMAs on the monthly chart. This is the 21 EMA. So just a great dollar cost averaging opportunity down here. And got back above the highs in August. So the next zone to go to is 4K, and then we'll have to see what happens. If it really starts to catch up to Bitcoin, it would take out its prior highs and go for all-time highs. ETH BTC is retesting the 786. It's a fib retracement from this low to this high on the monthly. So it either potentially bottom out here at the 786, or if it takes a leg down to the 886, I think that'd be a nice bottoming buy zone if ETH BTC goes that low. Otherwise, it could be making the low here at the 786, and we'll have to see. Right now, it's retesting the 786. So we'll have to follow up with that on Ethereum. But either way, it's still doing great price-wise, just relatively to Bitcoin. We'll have to see when the trend changes for that. Dogecoin is still breaking out. All right, you just have to take it out to a 6-month chart on Dogecoin. So this is a 6-month chart, half the year. And in a matter of days, it's gone from the low was 8 cents, but it took out the highs in the January highs, or it took out the highs from the first half of the year. And now it took out the highs of July 2021. Next stop is 73 cents, and then all-time highs after that. This one was the Trump trade, as they call it, but with Elon Musk being head of the Department of Government Efficiency now on Trump's team, this might be the leading meme coin again and go on a crazy tear with Elon Musk. But we'll have to see. But the price so far seems to be going in that direction, because it's just like a knife through butter, just going through. Like, there's nothing really here now until all-time highs, and then we'll have to see if the meme pump is for real. But yeah, Dogecoin's going off, and then let's look at Solana. We'll cap it here. I don't want the video to get too long, but Solana bouncing off the 9 EMA on the monthly, reaccumulation structure bull flag, and all-time highs is at 259. So once Solana takes out its prior all-time highs, we'll have to see where it goes. But I'm gonna make a separate video on this eventually. But if Solana were to reach the market cap of Ethereum's all-time high in the past bull market, it would bring it to a price of $1,200. So if its market cap ended up being what Ethereum's market cap was here in November 21, that would bring Solana to a price of $1,200. And we'll have to see if Solana outperforms Ethereum and Bitcoin, and if it eventually does try to overtake Ethereum. But Solana ETH is at all-time highs at the moment, and Solana Bitcoin is retesting a possible breakout. Still have to follow up on that. But either way, Solana is looking great as well. And took out its highs from March. Moving on to all-time highs next from October of 21. And then from there, we'll have to see. But I think I'll leave it there. Well, let me just look at total for you as well, because total is also looking great. Testing its prior all-time high of a $3 trillion market cap. We're at 2.92 right now. So total looks like it's about to be breaking out to new all-time highs. That's total on a 6-month chart, on a 12-month chart, or a 1-year chart. So yeah, total is looking poised for its breakout next. Already clearing March, the high from March this year. And why not just end off with a MicroStrategy going parabolic, hit a high of 351 today. So MicroStrategy is just also going crazy. Everything Bitcoin related is going crazy, crypto related. But I think I'll leave it there for today. I know this video is probably getting pretty long now, so we'll follow up in the next one and see how things are looking. But so far, the breakout is just going parabolic, and definitely gratifying after having to be patient this entire year. We're talking about how we just had to be patient, dollar cost average this whole time of consolidation. But now ended up now the reaccumulation is paying off for an 8-month reaccumulation is going to have some big moves, and we're seeing it. So yeah, we'll just leave it there and follow up in the next video. But I really appreciate you guys and your support. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll be sure to follow up in the next video and see where things are then. So thanks a lot, guys, and see you in the next one.